Hi friends, this is Soft Reason. In today's lesson, we will be looking at strip foundation. Okay, just like this. Okay, so this is strip foundation. All right, using ProtaStructure. So you are welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, if this is your first time, kindly subscribe for more advanced lesson of this kind. Okay, so this lesson I will be dividing it into two parts. Okay, the modeling part and the analysis and design part. Okay, so kindly subscribe and stay tuned. You can as well share the video. Okay, if this lesson have helped you in one way or the other, kindly like the video as well. Okay, so let's start. I will go to my file. I need to open the one that I have not worked on. Okay, I've already analyzed this. Okay, I'll go to my file and then I'll go to strip foundation. Okay, all right, so what we need to do is I've not run analysis on this structure. Okay, but I've loaded the structure. All right, so I will be running analysis on this structure. Okay, you can see the way the gallery looks. Okay, so I will be running analysis based on this design. Okay, so I will go to my level 1, then I will navigate to the plan view. Okay, I will go to analysis tab. Okay, then I will click on 3D building analysis. Okay, all right, in 3D building analysis I check my parameter first. Okay, these are my codes. Okay, BS810 basis 399. Okay, so I will check my foundation. Okay, in this case the foundation soil bearing capacity is 75. Okay, from 75, 60 and 80, 90. Okay, you can use strip foundations. Okay, and strip foundation is basically basically applicable when you are dealing with a story to up to 2-story building. From 3-story up is not advisable. Okay, so after the foundation you can check some of that in detail too. All right, this is a strip foundations. Okay, all right, made by Soft Reason. Okay, all right, so we will be now click on okay. All right, check our loadings. Okay, then you click on load generator. Okay, you create a factor out load and then it is steel and concrete. Okay, in this case there is no need for horizontal load. Okay, so you just click on okay. All right, so these are your loads. Okay, you okay it right, no need for wheel load. All right, check your material. Okay, and this is concrete columns. Okay, we are going to be dealing with C20/25 grades for 110. Okay, type 2. So we will check the rebar. Okay, we are going to be dealing with, we'll be using 16 diameter 20. Okay, for our columns. Okay, so for our beams we'll be using also 16, we'll be using 20 and 25. Okay, all right, so for our slabs we will be looking at 16, 12. All right, you okay it. For our links we will be using 8 and 10. Okay, uncheck other ones. All right, for our foundations we'll be using 12 and 16. Okay, all right, so the next thing we need to do is we will go to this model options. We will free both y and x. Okay, and touch on permitted. Okay, all right, so you will click on analysis. Okay, in the analysis tab you will have to check the model. You click on check. Okay, you start it. Okay, you check the model, you notice there is no error in the model. Okay, so you click on you click on closed. Alright, so I will now click on start analysis. Okay, why this is showing is because of this step down in this slab area. Okay, so you say yes. If the program is telling me to make that those beam in this area, this beam and this beam a cantilever beam. Okay, alright, so analysis is done successfully. Okay, you close this. So after analysis we cannot go to the story 0, so we can't start our strip foundation modeling. Okay, so for us to do, we will be considering a foundation width of 1400 mm. Okay, 1.4 meter. Okay, so we are going to be taking 700 outward and inward. Okay, so from the grid lines. So let's start. Okay, we are going to start here. You will have to click on this grid lines. Okay, you right click. Okay, and then you click on offset. Alright, so you move this upwards. You will notice that you are having a distance showing you. Okay, so you hold your shift key. Okay, you hold your shift key, then F2. You give it a distance of 700. Okay, and then you click on enter. Alright, you escape. Okay, but let me remove this background so we can have a white background for a good visibility. Okay, so you come to this place and then you click here, take this to be white and solid. Okay, and you click on OK. So you will be having something like this. Alright, so you click on this grid line again, you right click and you will do minus 700. You enter, you escape, you do the same thing here. So you do the same thing, 700 mm, okay, at this last one, okay. Minus 700. Alright, so after you must have created grid lines for these strips, okay. The next thing you need to do is to now insert the strips, okay, the slab strips, okay. So what we need to do now is we will have to save the project. So after saving the project, we will go to slab, okay. You click on it, all right, and then you will give the thickness of the strip footings, okay. The thickness of my strip footing, I will take it to be 450, okay, and then my concrete cover will be 100, okay, because it is a strip foundations. So if you go to loading, my loading is still intact, okay. This my reference level, I will change it to 0, okay. And so after which I will come back to the general tab and I will use insertion tab, okay. In this insertion tab, okay, I will use pick points, okay. I will use pick point. I click on pick point, okay. And so I will first of all delete all S's, all right. After which I will now start to pick point, okay. I will pick the first point, okay. I will pick the second point, yeah, pick the third point and the fourth point to insert my slab strips, okay. You can see, all right. So I will also do the same thing here, okay. But before then I will have to delete all hexes. I click on it to clear the hexes here, okay, and then I click on point 1, I take point 2, point 3 and point 4 to insert my slab strips, okay. Alright, so I will also delete all hexes. This time around I will take it from this point. Why I'm taking it from this point is because I don't want the slab to overlap, okay. Alright, I will do the same thing here. let's go this way. Since these two grids is aligning wrongly. Alright, you will clear the exits. Alright, clear this exits. Alright, so we have insert our slab strip successfully. Okay, so let's clear exits. We have to close this now. We close this. Okay, then we will look at our model in 3D, but by then we have to save the project. Okay, if you have any question regarding this, you can drop it at the comment section. Okay, kindly subscribe. You can also share the video as well with your friends. Okay, like the video. Okay, as you support the channel for more lessons. Okay, so after saving the project, we will navigate to the 3D. Okay, so we will be having something of this nature, just like this. Okay, alright, so this brings us to the end of this part. Okay, the next part we will be looking at how we can analyze and design this our street footing. Okay, we will analyze and design this street footing. Okay, so kindly subscribe and stay tuned. Bye for now.